Hyundai Santa Fe is set to be launched on February 15, 2025. Its estimated price is Rs 50 lakhs. The engine is of 1998 cubic centimeters. And the fuel used is petrol. No. Of cylinders are 4. Transmission type is automatic. And the body type is SUV. Pros: advanced safety features, luxurious interior design, innovative technology integration. Cons: limited information on engine performance, uncertain release date and pricing. For more car reviews, subscribe our YouTube channel, Cars Squad.